Hi, this is Mike from Revs West in Torquay. Today we've got a 2012 Honda CRV in the shop. Let's have a look. So this vehicle has come in for the DMX7722DABS. So this is a wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay head unit. I have my phone hooked up now so you can see the Android Auto. This gives you access to Google Maps. We've also got music streaming. So for example, I have Amazon Music, Spotify, YouTube Music. It also gives you access to parking apps and anything else that is compatible. So we've also got the normal DAB stereo. And we've got Bluetooth, hands-free and audio streaming. And one other thing on this vehicle, we have retained the factory reversing camera. So there we go, that's that one there.